How far my people? How una dey? Wetin dey sup? Yeah, I believe say we dey make money for this bear market, and we dey control ourselves. We dey use our risk management. Yeah. Okay, today I would like make we talk about some coin. See, for 2014, 15, you see all those coin wey dey up there. Most of them no even we no even see them again, shey you understand. So wetin me I wan make you do be say go check your portfolio, reshuffle am. All the coin wey no dey intact, you know what to do. No be financial advice, so I just dey let you know. Do your research and follow up with the company. Okay, and again, I see news this morning say Balenciaga they don dey accept Bitcoin, Shiba, Dogecoin as payment, but that one no mean say make the market pump. Shey you understand. This pump wey you dey see na im we dey call relief pump. Market never start to dey pump normally, na relief pump be all this one wey we dey see. So abeg try take your time, still dey learn. Take your time, still dey understand the market cycle, and this thing na normal thing. Shey you understand. This bear market dey filter out the noise of all those bad guys, all those bad nigga wey be say dem dey create shit coin, idiot coin. Shey you understand. Dey give you hope say one day na lie, dem wan scam you. So na this bear market go flush all those coin. You know say if bull market don start back, some stupid coin sef go come. So I believe say you don dey learn now. Make you no dey follow hype, make you no dey follow influencers. Make sure say you dey do your own research. Yeah, thank you. No forget to follow us on all our social media and share our video. Make others sef come learn and make we dey learn together. Bye.